These days, people seem more nervous about renewing their mortgage than they are about porting their mortgage, and I think the opposite should be true. You get that letter in the mail a few weeks before your mortgage is up for renewal. It says, hey, choose a rate, choose a term, and send it back, and off we go. But I still get the phone calls from clients and referrals, people saying, Toma, I am concerned about this renewal, man. I work somewhere else. I make less money. I'm not so sure about my credit. How am I supposed to handle this application to renew? And my answer to that question is, there is no application. 99 times out of 100 in Canada, as long as you've been making all your mortgage payments on your preceding term, you will be offered renewal terms on a no questions asked basis. Just select the best term and the best rate, variable or fixed or whatever you want, and send the letter back, and you're off to the races. You're ready for another term with the same lender. Every once in a while, you'll have a lender that will check your credit before they offer renewal terms to the same client. If they don't like what they see, the rates will be increased, or they'll even just try to offer you posted rates strategically to see if you'll actually take the deal. Regardless, if you don't like the rates being quoted on your renewal letter, just reach out to your friendly mortgage broker. And what I like to do, just to keep it simple and pain-free, is I'll just write you a letter saying, Dear Mr. and Mrs. Client, thanks for reaching out. I understand you're up for a renewal, and here's the best rates available through me at this time, given your circumstances. All the best. Circle back if you need me. Bye-bye. And if that letter does not keep your incumbent lender honest, then by all means circle back and we'll switch somewhere else. We'll do an actual application from scratch to see what's possible. Speaking of applications, what you should be aware of is that if you've been told that your mortgage is portable, that doesn't mean it's automatically portable. If you're thinking about buying a different home this spring, do not walk around under the mistaken assumption that you can just port your mortgage. It is treated like a new application. Not only do they want to get to know the new property, but they're going to take advantage of the opportunity to refamiliarize themselves with you. They are going to check your income. They are going to check your credit and your down payment. They are going to check your employment. Are you self-employed all of a sudden? Well, that's interesting. Or have you heard of our new stress test that the federal government put in about 3 years ago? Well, that's new too. You might not even qualify for the mortgage you have now, let alone for more money. So that's my advice for today. When it comes to renewals, don't worry. There's no questions asked 99% of the time. But when it comes time to porting your mortgage, go talk to your lender today instead of in the spring to see if and how much you qualify to port your mortgage.